In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Google Meet. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you want to add a bit of privacy or just a touch of style to your video calls. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by typing Google Meet into your search engine or simply going to meet.google.com. Once the page is loaded, you will see a few options right there on the landing page, but our focus will be on starting a new meeting. Now click on the button labeled New Meeting. This is usually located prominently on the page and is easy to spot, making it convenient for you to initiate a meeting whenever necessary. Once you click on New Meeting, you'll be presented with a couple of options on how you'd like to start your meeting. Here you'll want to select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is fantastic for those impromptu calls when you need to get started right away. After your meeting has started, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet interface. It's user-friendly, with all the controls you need to manage your meeting right at your fingertips. Look towards the bottom of the screen and you'll see an icon with 3 dots lined vertically. This represents more options. Click on this to open up a menu with additional settings and features for your meeting experience. Once you've opened the More Options menu, scan the list for backgrounds and effects. Clicking on this will bring up a panel that showcases all the available background settings and effects you can use. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Perhaps you want to blur out everything to maintain a professional look, or maybe you feel like adding a scenic backdrop or one of Google's preset images. At this point, you'll see different background options. You can choose from the list of pre-uploaded images, or simply opt for a background blur, which is quite popular. Select the one you like by clicking on it, and you'll immediately notice the change behind you in your video feed. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've customized the background of your Google Meet call to suit your style or setting. It's a simple yet effective way to add a personal touch or maintain your privacy during virtual meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide to be helpful. Feel free to explore different options until you find a look you're happy with. Enjoy your next Google Meet call with a fresh new background.